Hi, I am Kaunteya Dhote and welcome to the complete AutoCAD course. This course is completely project based and all the lessons are taught using the real world examples. This course is for you if you are completely new to AutoCAD and want to start learning right from scratch, which covers the basic as well as the advanced topics. This course starts with basic of AutoCAD like unit setup and then going further using the limits and the drawing settings, and later using some simple draw tools like line, circle, polyline, rectangle, polygon, and then moving further to the more modifying tools like copy, move, rotate, array. And as you move along more tools, you will learn about the drawing techniques, status bar toggle and more. The management tools like layer and blocks are covered in a completely detail with real world examples. Important annotation tools like dimension, text, table are discussed in detail with several examples. This course not only focuses on basic of AutoCAD but on advanced topics like block, external reference, sheet sets, customizing tools, custom line types, hatches and lots of more. This course is a result of several years of dedication to the field. This course is also updated with new topics and features and is the one of the most comprehensive course of AutoCAD available on the internet. By the end of this course, you will be able to manage your own drawing comfortably using AutoCAD. You will be able to not only make just drawings but also use some powerful tools like block and annotation with complete detail. This course not only contains video lessons but also practice examples and exercises. The last few sections of the course is dedicated to small as well as large AutoCAD projects of various engineering disciplines. You can use this work tool to your project in real work time. So if you are all set, check the free preview videos and enroll to start learning. Let's get started and I will see you in the course.